Well, yeah, man. But hey, y'all comment down below, man. Comment down below what state you in, bro. I'm trying to figure out what the time zone is, bro, for y'all boys, so I can drop at a good time where everybody, you know what I'm saying, available. At least to watch it. At least.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing, riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just be getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew. Hold on, let's hit these pop, man. I think I be capping. Stop doing that, Olivia. I ain't tell you to stop. Yeah, man, y'all here. But hey, Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as you can see, on a rainy day. You know what I'm saying? POV on a rainy day. Y'all know the title, thumbnail, whatever the case may be. Well, look, man, I was out doing a little car window shopping. You know what I'm saying? But that all four windows down is stupid, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And it feel good outside. Trying to see we got the performance pages up. But hey, man, I know it's already a minute into the video, but I should have said this in the beginning. But if you're still watching this part, bro, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, we're in a nice little POV action right now, man. You know, in the rain, y'all see the clouds, y'all see how it's looking outside, man. They're looking ugly out here, man. They're looking ugly out here, man. But hey, rain don't stop the show, man. Look at that scat over there. Rain don't stop the show, man. The video gotta get put out. We getting that 9K, Cari crew. We getting that 9K, Cari crew, for sure, man. We getting that 9K for sure, and we getting that 10K for sure, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm finna, hey, we turning up. But look, we finna get straight into it. I don't know what's really going on. Just POV and me talking to y'all, boy, man, and just downshifting, you know, and getting y'all boy that nice little footage. Look at that lady. Look, got a clean box here. And I'm in custom mode, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Just it's in street. I see we got car banks to the side in the cut, man. But yeah, man. I see it's a little rainy outside. I just turned the camera on to be on the Cari crew, bro. I told you I'm gonna keep bringing y'all video, man. I know all the videos gonna be, some of them gonna be all over the place. It's raining right now. I'm gonna give y'all another drift in every turn, bro, soon. I'm gonna give y'all another drift in every turn soon, bro. I just gotta find a time place to do it. I like to do it when you're wet, like now, but I ain't trying to do that right now. I need to get some tires and stuff anyway, eventually. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make these tires stretch out, you feel me? Y'all know these powerful beasts, you know what I'm saying, be eating up tires like candy, man. You know what I'm saying? Eating them mother like candy. Well, yeah, Cari crew, like I said, I had to turn the camera on, bro. Bro, this is a thing, bro. I'm trying to make this well, it ain't gonna be a career, you feel me? But I just love making videos, bro. I know every time someone will be like whatever, but it's like me just talking to y'all, like it's cool to even have, you know what I'm saying, people that is willing to subscribe to you, bro, and watch your video, or watch every video or every other video, you feel me? Like, for y'all that watch all the videos, bro, or at least tap into everyone, You know what I'm saying? Majority of everyone, bro, I salute you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. And I'll be one of y'all to comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know that y'all, it's like you tapping in, bro. Like, okay, bro, okay, he watched the video. He watched the video. I seen his name before. Turn on post notification bell, bro, so you won't miss no bangers, man. What y'all want, a 20? Y'all want a 20 roll? That bitch spinning like hell. And I got traction home. Traction is all the way home, bro. But yeah, man. Just a little rainy POV, man, with the window down. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just a rainy POV, bro. These soft shifts, Cari group. These are soft shifts. Look at buddy right here with that dog trying to get close by me. Stop trying to get by me, man. I'm trying to see what I'm doing. He looking all in my car. Look at him. He trying to see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm holding the phone. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm chasing my dream. Nigga. What you doing with a dog in your lap? You know what I'm saying? Let me chill out. I'm just talking, Cari group. I don't take nothing personal. You know, folks be like, oh, you want to know for, man? Your personality, you think your shit don't stink, man? No, actually, it do stink, man. I think everybody's shit stink, you know what I mean? Well, yeah, man. But hey, y'all comment down below, man. Comment down below what state you in, bro. I'm trying to figure out what the time zone is, bro, for y'all boys, so I can drop at a good time where everybody, you know what I'm saying, available. At least to watch it. At least. Bro, I know y'all heard that bitch spin. Heard that bitch spin from first to fourth, bro. And I was shifting it. I was like, you know what I'm saying? I was shifting it light. That bitch still. That what it sound like, bro. The trash be on. I mean, it's wet outside, so you can't do nothing about that. I was spinning in third gear, bro, at a low speed. Cari crew, man, you know what I'm saying? Sun's light, man, on a nice little rainy day, man. Sun's light on a rainy day, bro. You feel me? Plug my radar back in. That must have been unplugged for a whole day. And Cari crew, bro, I just washed my car yesterday, bro, and it raining, bro. Like, that's what I be saying, bro. Like, every time I wash my car, bro, it's gonna rain within 2 days, or not the same day, bro. Like, I think everybody though. Everybody feel like that, but some people don't. Some people watch their car and it just don't rain at least like a week. That's crazy, bro. I was like, damn, if you gonna do that, you could have washed my car for me. You know what I'm saying? Could have washed my car for me. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Like I said, something slight, bro. Just a quick little video for y'all, boy, man. Quick little POV, man, showing y'all Olivia. Y'all let me know what other videos y'all like to see, bro. Type of POVs, or I know y'all like the outside view. I like the outside view too. I just gotta find spots to do it and what kind of videos I be doing to be recording from the outside. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? But y'all make sure y'all can watch my last videos, bro. Like my last 2 videos, bro. The video before the last one, you know what I'm saying? Before this one, when I was doing like the tunnel and all that, bro. I had put on there, man. Y'all get that video to 200 likes, bro. I slide up under that bridge, bro. I slide, do a mini takeover by myself under the bridge, bro. Y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Get your boy right with those lights, man. You gotta get these videos out there, bro. I'm trying to get in that algorithm part. They got their window down. I'm gonna get him. I know he got, man. I barely hit the gas. You got your window all the way down for what? In the Toyota. On a rainy day at that. Why your window down on a rainy day in the Toyota? They all the way down. Mine ain't even all the way down. I'm making a video. You know what I'm saying? He might got a Mustang at home. You gotta have a Mustang on. Only Mustang driver do that. Any whip. Them boys will be in a van, minivan with the window down. Man, some food smell good. I don't know what it is. Look at all that rain, car crew, bro. Y'all, it don't look that. Let me see. Look at that, bro. I know y'all hit on pops, bro. I know y'all hit on pop. Why that big get wicked straight line? Why that big get wicked straight line? Why that first get pulled? I heard somebody yell. I don't think they were yelling at me though. Nobody don't know me like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't that 10K yet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't that 10K yet. When I hit 10K, I might start. You know what I'm saying? I might start turning some head. They be like, oh, that Cari Beach. But you car. Alright. But yeah, man, car crew, man. I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying? Hit y'all boy with a little rainy POV, man. You know what I'm saying? I got it. The grind don't stop, bro. You know what I said? Y'all, if anything, bro, just respect the grind, bro. Me keep putting these videos out and recording them, because obviously I don't have to if I be like, man, I don't know, this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm just driving today. I'm just going to get something to eat. Taking all opportunities, bro. Taking all opportunity, car crew. Gotta stay on it, bro. If I say I want something, bro, I gotta show that I'm trying to get it. You know what I'm saying? I can't say I want it. You know what I'm saying? And then I don't post no video. Or at least try to keep posting videos every other day, if not every day, or at least throughout the weekend, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, we gonna get to it, car crew, bro. I really just want to tap in with y'all, boy, make a little POV. Riding in the rain, man, you know what I'm saying? Nice little car vlog type. Look at 12, look at 12. 12 be out there, bit, boy. Look at 12, they be out there, bit, boy. But yeah, man, like, I just want to come in and tap in with y'all boy, man, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all boys some love. Y'all boys show me some love by commenting down below what state you're from, bro. Where you at? What area you at, man? You know what I'm saying? East Coast, West Coast, you know what I'm saying? Pennsylvania, Denver, Cali, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, Texas. You know what I'm saying? Let me know where you at, man. New York, where your boys at, man? My boy, comment down below where y'all at, man. I'm trying to see something. But yeah, man. Anyway, like I was saying, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Just a quick POV, like I said, rainy POV, bro. Give me y'all boys a little noise, action, downshifting, a little lunches, a little tire spinning, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, bro. If I make y'all something more turnt on a rainy day, you know what I'm saying? Really sliding, going crazy on a rainy day, but hey, man. Make sure you hit that like button, like I said. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? And like I say, you know, at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, car crew. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, stay prayed up, stay humble. You know what I'm saying? Stay hungry. You know what I'm saying? And just be you, bro. But just be you. You know what I'm saying? The best way you can be, in the right way. I know we can't be perfect, but don't be doing everything that you just know. You know what I'm saying? Ain't right. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just keep a strong mind in the world, man. The world ain't hard out here, man. I ain't gonna lie. Keep that sanity, bro. Keep that sanity. But yeah, man, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.